Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. Game this between two very high-quality sides, a treat for everybody here. And we're underway. Hello, Williams. And it's played forward. McGeady. Nicholson. McGeady. Right through the middle. Oh, it's a foul. It could be a penalty. No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card. Just couldn't turn it in.
Well, being able to generate that amount of activity in the box means it's hard not to pick someone out.
Just brushed off the ball there. Brown hoists it forward. Fleming. Collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Well, it was just some wayward passing that let the opposition in then, and I have to say, a very lucky escape. You lose it there,
and the shot! A wonderful effort, all by himself.
He's the one player you want on the ball running at defences, and that's precisely why. Mexico have opted to really stretch the game now.
Yeah, that's pretty evident, but what's their thinking?
It looks as if the opposition are happy to defend the width of the 18-yard box, trying to remove that compactness.
And now they can launch a counter. Corona is fouled. That is a gem! An absolute gem! And it's Mexico who take the lead. And he's produced a beauty.
The goal for Mexico. After 13 minutes is number 6.
I doubt very much that this was in the script. Brown. Low. Tries to get it forward quickly. Over to the left. Look at the defender bombing forward. Lovely bit of skill. Plenty waiting in the middle. Gets up to head it! And he's there to make a great save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Leave it clear. That's a throw. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
You have to admire commitment like that, because he could easily ignore that and just kind of walk around and let others do all the chasing, but instead he looks as if...
Fleming! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Clears it out of harm's way. And he has been fouled there. Guardado, played out to the right. He's got options out wide. Oh, that is lovely footwork. Great leap! It's in! 2 up now, and they are cruising. That is a fine goal, really efficiently done.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
So that's 2 now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Moreno positions himself well and cuts it out. Morrison drives it forward. Keeper sends it forward. Herrera. Low. Forward it goes. Back into the middle. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball. Lovely feet. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. And it's played forward. Ball is over the line. Tries to get it forward quickly. Loses his balance and loses the ball. Fleming. Morrison shoots! Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Away from immediate danger. Low. Hoists it forward. Tries to get it clear. Real chance to break. Tries to dink it in. And the whistle goes for half-time. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
There's the start of the second half.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
Reggae. Brown. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Going through. Breaks on here. And it's hoisted clear. Defenders on the back foot. Morrison. Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. He's there to get rid. Gorgeous control there. Williams. Played back in. Chance to break. Herrera. Araujo tries to stroke it through. Ball has crossed the line and it's a throw.
We've got to see a real determination and purpose now if this deficit is to be recovered. No holding back and being patient about this challenge. It's time to roll the sleeves up and go for it.
Forward it goes. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Araujo.
The attendance for this match was 80,214.
Nicholson. Brown. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Reggae. Angelo. Lainez. Angelo. Araujo. Well, that's where he wants it. There will be a throw-in. Araujo. Guardado. Araujo. Hoists it forward. Cuts it out. Martin. Plays it out to the flank. That's a hit!
Oh, that was no routine save. Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
That has been cleared. Herrera tries a shot!
Herrera usually is so good from that range. He didn't quite connect as he can though.
Picks one in. Nicholson looking to run onto it. Angelo. Araujo. Moreno. Araujo. Angelo. Lainez desperately wants to get on the end of this. Decent progress down the left. Goes for the cross. We've had changes here from both sides, in fact. The referee's seen the board and he's going to allow a double change to go ahead now.
Well, you don't go down without a fight, and the sooner that message can circulate through the team, the better. The scoreline is a little ugly at the moment. It's imperative now that they grab the next goal.
It's a good foot in there. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Oh, that's a booking. Always looked it.
Substitution for Jamaica. Number 22.
Johnson against the crossbar. And it's played forward, dashing forward at pace. Lainez. Angelo. Guardado. 2 minutes to be added on. Here it comes. He's had a go! And it's there! And they are cruising away. Just so calm under pressure.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position, but I didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
The changes then in quick succession.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Substitutions taking place.
3, and that's it. Well, the scoreline doesn't tell the whole story. They were outclassed in every possible way. So, Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?